NBC29 forecast.
What a beautiful July day. I know the weekend maybe didn't shape up the way that we'd have liked, especially with the late clearing on Sunday, but we had abundant sunshine today. This morning's lows were well down in the 50s, made it up to 85 at the airport today. Currently checking in here at 84. We have dew points that are basically in the 50s to near 60. Very dry air, very comfortable, and these are bonus days. You get these in the summertime is what we call them. 81 is the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Was 52 there this morning. Some other readings at this hour, we've got 80 in Louisa, same in Palmyra, 84 there in Livingston, 81 in Stanton, and same currently in Harrisonburg. Temperatures tonight not as cool, but generally in the mid and low 60s, still comfortable. And things will change tomorrow. We heat up in a hurry. Most locations will top out in the low 90s here across central Virginia, around 90 in the Shenandoah Valley, and the humidity will certainly be spiked up as well. This will be in advance of the next cold front that will trigger some scattered thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. Now currently we are outlooked for some severe storms tomorrow. Currently a marginal risk is highlighted across much of the Commonwealth with a slight risk farther north and east. The main threat is going to be damaging wind gusts, again some spotty hail, while not zero but very low, an isolated tornado. Really looking at the time frame, maybe 2 to 8 o'clock tomorrow for some of those storms. But tomorrow will be the hottest day of the week, low 90s, and then the front will come through Wednesday morning. It will likely stall down across Southside Virginia, right along the Virginia-North Carolina border. If it moves a little farther north or doesn't move that far, then we could still have a stray storm or two Wednesday. But temperatures will begin to back down more so after tomorrow. High pressures offshore. We got a lot of clear skies currently. We have a cold front that's north and west of Chicago through the upper Midwest, and that'll be working in our direction. So we get that southwesterly wind transporting the more humid air as well. And meanwhile, the front that impacted us on Friday of last week is now stalled down here across the southeast coast into the Gulf of Mexico. This time of year, when we have stalled fronts, you have to watch for any development that may become tropical. There's a broad area of low pressure here, and the National Hurricane Center will continue to monitor that regardless. It's going to be heavy rain across Florida and portions of Louisiana. The big heat remains out west. This big heat ridge is shifted farther south and west as opposed to previous weeks that we've seen so far this summer. Temperatures in the morning will start in the 60s. We'll heat up as mentioned in the low 90s. Then we'll watch for some of these storms start to materialize as we head into the afternoon. Here we are around 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. You can see some of the storms around. Then those will translate down toward Richmond and the Tidewater. And Wednesday will start in the upper 60s. And then Wednesday, most of the storminess looks to reside to our south with that front stalled nearby. Temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90. So for tonight, mostly clear and still comfortable. Most of us will see those numbers in the mid and low 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Hot and more humid here for Tuesday with a few thunderstorms around during the afternoon and early evening. And then those temperatures will back down as we head through the rest of this week. This weekend will bring more warmth and humidity, typical summer type pattern with some late afternoon hit and miss storms.
All right, Eric. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We will be